Hello, everyone. My name is Melissa, Marketing Manager at Thermo Scientific, and today it's my pleasure to join my colleague Martin Schneider, our Product Specialist for the Talos F200E. Welcome, Martin.
Hello, Melissa. It's a pleasure to be here, calling in from Brno, where we are building these beautiful systems to our users.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your previous roles and your background in TEM?
Before joining the business unit, I was part of R&D, where my primary focus was to minimize image distortions and optimize the electron optics for accurate magnification calibrations. Experience in this field led me to the position of product system architect, where my primary goal was to maintain roadmaps or drive technical innovations, etc., for the system in question. Finally, we are able to create a system that enables our users to gather reliable and repeatable datasets.
So Talos is a great balance of benefits, especially for failure analysis. Can you summarize what owners can expect working with these systems?
What does it mean is it's easy to use, efficient, and allows for low cost of ownership.
And can you tell me more about the kind of data that I can collect?
The users can expect to gather high reliable data thanks to the distortions and magnification accuracy calibration specs. Also, combined with the powerful analytics, you can all pack it into a cost-effective, small footprint system.
So there are a few key specifications that make Talos really unique for its value. Could you walk me through those?
Sure. So the system is unique with its optimized image distortions and accurate magnification calibrations. Here we offer below 1% linear distortion in TEM and STEM mode, and also below 2% magnification calibration accuracy, both for TEM and STEM.
So Martin, why is low distortion so critical for semiconductor customers?
Fabrication of semiconductor devices involves numerous and repetitive steps, each with its own margin of error. The final product performance relies on the sum of these errors. The TEM plays a crucial role because it allows the customers to measure the critical dimensions up to atomic levels, and without the specifications of image distortions and calibrations, you cannot trust your data. You will see the data, you will see the images, but you cannot trust them.
Sounds like that makes Talos a really powerful tool for semiconductor. So it seems like a strength here on Talos F200E are the analytical capabilities. Could you give some examples of what we can do on Talos and why that's meaningful?
Talos F200E doesn't allow the customers to use the standard TEM and STEM mode. It allows also advanced analytical techniques like tomography, EDS, 4D STEM, etc. From elemental mapping, users can choose between in-house SuperX system, known for its spectral cleanliness, or the high throughput use cases, you can choose for DualX system. One notable technique is our patented integrated differential phase contrast analysis, as we know IDPC. It allows the customers to gather an image of high contrast atomic resolution of sample with light and heavy elements in one go. All these techniques together are allowing the customers to effectively analyze multi-layered structures that are typical for semiconductor world.
So capabilities and performance are great features to have, but not everyone has your experience running a TEM. So can anyone really get useful data off of a Talos?
We tried to keep ease of use in mind. For example, starting with the sample insertion, we optimized the pre-vacuum system in order to mitigate the risk of vacuum breaks during the sample insertion. Finally, also all the process of imaging and acquisition is taking place in all-in-one user interface called VLOGs. So you don't need to switch between different UIs, applications, or even standalone PCs for the entire measurement process.
Wow, that sounds really beneficial. So then for experienced users, what system advantages do we get?
The experienced microscopist can unlock the full potential of the system. It's a best-in-class tool that offers speed, efficiency, and quick time to data attribute. It allows the customers to quickly change modes from TEM to STM mode without any compromises of accuracy. It allows the customers even to be operated remotely from the other side of the world without any compromise to data reliability.
So Martin, with all this great information in mind, what would you say is the one key takeaway with Talos for semiconductor?
So the word that we had in mind during the development of the system is reliable for everyone and efficient for everyone, meaning that it can start with new users and also with the experienced microscopist, and all these users can gather reliable data from the system.
Thank you so much, Martin, for your time today. It was great to learn more about the Talos.
Thank you very much, Melissa. It was a pleasure.